This is Cikor air-cooled scroll chiller, designed for stable and efficient industrial cooling. It adopts high-quality scroll compressors, ensuring low noise, high efficiency, and reliable long-term operation. The unit features a well-designed structure, efficient heat exchanger, powerful cooling fans, and precise electric control system for easy operation and full protection. With solid construction and excellent workmanship, it is widely used in plastics, electroplating, printing, and other industries. Stable performance and customizable models make it an ideal cooling solution.